In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off voicemail on your iPhone. This method is simple, but there is one important warning you need to know before you turn it off, so follow the steps carefully. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Inside Settings, scroll down and select Apps. Now keep scrolling until you find the Phone app and tap on it. Here you will see an option called Live Voicemail. To completely turn off voicemail on your iPhone, simply switch this option off. Before you do this, make sure you save any important voicemails you have. Turning off live voicemail may remove all your existing voicemail messages. So if there is anything important, listen to it or save it before disabling this feature. Once live voicemail is turned off, your iPhone will no longer record or store voicemail messages. This is the quickest and safest way to fully disable voicemail on iOS. If you want more advanced voicemail fixes or carrier-level methods, let me know in the comments, and I will cover those as well.